What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another one here, J&A Motorsports and Trucking. So in this video, we're going to be installing new speakers, door speakers on my Kenworth T680. The old one's blown, sounded like crap. Copped these at Walmart on the low. I think I paid like 40, 45 bucks, something like that for them. But yeah, guys, I'm install these, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the speaker covers, because eventually I'm gonna be painting my door panels completely in my colors, orange and blue. So we'll go ahead and get the covers painted up, get the speakers wired up, take y'all with me. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down here at the bottom. Definitely hit that like, and let's get it. This is the new ones that's gonna be going in, boys. Got them at Walmart, about 40 bucks. Nothing too fancy, but definitely better than these. These are the original ones. I don't know what brand they are, if any, but one I was busted. So I'll show y'all what that sound like, and then I'll show you what it sounds like when I put the new ones in. This one is the only one that works up front right now. The one on the passenger side is blown. So I gotta adjust the speaker all to this side. And so yeah, eventually this one's gonna blow too. Been meaning to do this for a while. So like I said, I copped these at Walmart last night for about 40 bucks. I'm just go ahead and get these put in, take the old ones out, and then, well, actually, let me show y'all what it sounds like first. All right, guys, just noticed speakers came with these, so we're just gonna whack the factory plug off, attach it to these, and then these right here will plug into the new speaker. Trace is clean. Hopefully they sound a lot better. Ready? Alright guys, you see the connections done, heat shrink, taped for extra protection. Speaker's about to meet its new home, boys. There we go. car, guys. Fully mounted. Just gotta get my covers put back on here, which I'll show y'all here shortly what I did with those. But eventually, I'm gonna paint this whole door panel in our colors, orange and blue. So, yeah. And there you have it, guys. Speaker covers put on. As y'all can see, looks like crap with the brown, but we're gonna be taking care of that here real soon. And painting the whole door panel like I've done my dash. So, yeah, guys, everything turned out great. Speakers sound good. All right, guys, so there you have it. New speakers installed. Speaker covers been painted and installed. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe it helped one of you guys out there. They're not that much. It's a cheap little fix, and it's definitely worth it. So you got a T680. You got those little square door speakers that bust pretty easy. This might be the route you want to take. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications when we release new vlogs, new videos, whatever you want to call it. I love you all. God bless you all. Until the next one, we out, guys.